how to fix Roblox error code 262. And the first method that you can do to fix this is just simply rebooting your computer. And to do that, just simply go to your Windows menu right here at the bottom of the taskbar. Then simply click on the power option right there. Then click on restart and wait for your computer to reboot. And once your computer is rebooted and Roblox is still not working, what you can do now is clearing its cache or clearing the Roblox cache. And to do that, just simply click on Windows plus R on your keyboard. So click on Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time to reveal the run menu. Then simply type in %temp % just like so. Then click on OK and just select all of the files right here on the folder. Then click on delete on your keyboard. And if this pops up, just simply click on the checkbox or tick box right there, then click on skip. And now you just exit out. Once that's done, just simply go to the Windows menu again, then search for Roblox. The Roblox player pops up right here. Just simply click on the Roblox player or the arrow button just beside it, then click on open file location. And here on the Roblox player, just simply right click on it. So right click on it, then click on the properties option here at the bottom of the menu. Then go to compatibility right here just besides the shortcut option. And click on run this program in compatibility mode 4. Just click on the tick box right there. And also click on disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Click on those three, click on apply, and click on OK. Then you could exit out and try to reopen Roblox. Now, if it still didn't work for you, the last thing that you can do is reinstall Roblox and check if the problem is gone or if the problem or the error code is not showing up. But for most people, reinstalling Roblox is basically the fix for this error code. And that's how I basically fix Roblox error code 262.